So this is just a quick video in case you're having trouble accessing the new math program that we're using. So this is just going to show you how to get into the program. So you're going to go into your Google Classroom and click on the assignment for the day. Okay, now I can click right on the link. It's going to tell me to choose an account. So you're going to choose your account for your RCS. I'm just going to show you logging in through a student. So I'm going to pretend I'm a student. I'm going to click on the account. Now it tells me create a new account, so I'm just going to click create a new account. It's going to bring me back here again. I'm just going to click one more time. It should say your name, your RCS email. Click it one more time. Then this will pop up and you can just scroll down and click allow. And you only need to do that the first time. Once you access it, and you can click just one more time. And then one more time, so it makes you do it twice. Once you do this the first time though, you're not going to have to do it again. The next time it will just go right to your problem set. So now I can just click in. So now I'm in the website, I can click right in and I can enter my answer. So for example, if my answer is 50,000, I'm going to click submit answer. It's going to tell you if it's correct. If it's incorrect, it's going to give you 3 chances for the correct answer. If you click over here where it says show answer on the right side, then it's going to mark the answer as wrong. So don't click show answer. It will eventually give you the answer. When you run out of your 3 tries to get it correct, it will give you the answer. Okay, so now it said correct, and I'm going to click next problem, and I'm going to continue doing that until I am finished. Okay.